Hi everyone, it's Sarah with Consolidated Fruit Packers. I'm at our packing facility today in Osoyoos, BC. We've been out in the field picking lots of Okanagan grown peaches, and today is the day that we're going to start packing them. So why don't we head over to the orchard, take a look at the peaches, and then head into the packing facility and see them being packed. And just like that, picked in the Okanagan orchard and packed at our facility in Osoyoos, BC, just for you.